Hi lovies, how you all doing? It's good to have you back. So in this particular video, I am going to be teaching you how to do a reverse smoky liner. Are you confused? I know some of you might not know what I mean by reverse smoky liner, but what we do most of the time is smoky liner, the normal one. So I want to reverse it today for you to see. So just stay with me. In case you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Joy and this is my beauty and lifestyle channel. So let's just go into this video. So to achieve this, you need stuff like your gel liner. You can also use your pen liner, stuff like that. Then you need your flat brush or your angle brush. Then you need eyeshadow, black eyeshadow. Yes, black eyeshadow. Except you're using a brown liner, that's when you need brown eyeshadow. Then your brushes, your eyeshadow brushes. Then to start, you need to take that your eyeliner and then your flat brush and create a wing. Remember, your wing can take any form, any shape that you want. I didn't put dark eyeshadow at the outer corner of this my eye so that you guys will see exactly what I'm doing, because if I had put dark eyeshadow there, you guys might not be seeing it well. So you just need to outline, just wing that your line. You can take it up, you can take it straight, just the way I'm doing. Just do it the way you like it. Okay, using that your flat brush, angle brush, or your pen liner. I don't know if that's what it's called, pen, all those liner that just like pen. Then after that, you connect your liner, your wings, to the normal liner you did, the upper part of your eye that you lined. You connect it, or if you haven't lined it, you connect it. Just connect it. You guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, yes. So make sure that everything is straight, that your line is not crooked. Yeah, so without your flat brush, you have to drag down that liner. Drag it down. That's why I would advise you, if you want to do this look, use a gel liner, because a liquid liner cannot do this. A liquid liner cannot achieve it. So with your brush, you're dragging this thing down. You're trying to create like a feather effect. Let's say feather it. If you're used to editing, whenever you hear to feather something, you know what I mean. And with your black eyeshadow, you're going to blend that eyeliner that you drag down with your flat brush or your angle brush. You blend it, and of course you extend it to the lower lash line so that you will have a good effect there. Blend it, make sure it's properly blended. Don't leave any harsh line. By the time you were dragging down that your liner, gel liner, you might get harsh ending. So that is when this eyeshadow comes in. Use it to blend everything, and you can see what I have there. You can see what it looks like. You see what I'm talking about? See that smoky effect? Give it that smoky effect. Yes, blend it out properly, and of course extend it to the lower lash line, just like this. Can you guys see that? You just need to achieve something like this. And then with your mascara, you take your lashes up, or maybe you have any eyeshadow fall out there. Use your mascara to put your normal lashes in place, and then you apply a good lashes. You guys know I'm not a fan of heavy full lashes. No, I love my lashes scanty, moderate, stuff like that, because that's the type of eyelash that brings out your face. Yes, all those heavy ones to make you look so artificial. Are you guys seeing it? Can you guys see the effect now? And of course, go over your bottom lash line with your mascara as well. I hope you, my babes, can see this. Are you people seeing it? Normally our liner used to have that sharp ending below, but this one, the sharp one is up and then the smoky one is down. So that is what I mean by reverse smoky eyeliner. This is beautiful. What do you think? This is what a reverse smoky liner looks like. I hope you love it as much as I love it, because this is giving. Not your regular. It's giving. It's very, very fine. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment for me, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that. And don't forget to always check on my channel, because we have a whole lot of videos that will help you in your makeup journey. Till I come your way next time, I am still your favorite makeup artist. I love you guys. Bye. In front of the mirror, light slow and bright. It's showing shadows, showing you the life just right. Blending those colors till the look takes flight. The toe wheels that shine like stars in the night. Showing shadows.